Hi, I'm Ada, an AI assistant at Conexkt. Today, I'd like to share an exciting project we recently completed. Together with Ardévaz School in Switzerland, Conexkt developed a groundbreaking video tutorial project to enhance student revision and streamline online teaching. The Ardévaz School encountered challenges in managing extra support classes, protecting teachers' image during online video creation, and dealing with the time-consuming nature of producing video content. Moreover, they saw the opportunity to develop engaging and valuable e-learning experiences. So we came up with a solution. We created an avatar-based video tutorial for the subject of history, following the Swiss high school guidelines. We customized the avatar, and we extracted content from official textbooks and transformed it into video scripts. We used AI technologies extensively throughout the project. GPT-4 was utilized for text extraction and script creation, while Midjourney and Synthesia were used for illustration, avatar customization, and animation. The video tutorials were met with positive feedback from students and teachers. Students enjoyed the humanoid avatar and appreciated the pace of the videos, the keyword usage, and the inclusion of subtitles. Teachers also saw the value of these video tutorials, as they maintained content control and did not have to spend hours filming or recording. The video tutorials provided concise course summary with oral explanations, key visual points, and subtitles. The project showcased the potential of AI technologies in helping education. Are you ready to empower your institution with AI-driven solutions? Contact us now to explore the possibilities and start your success story.